Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making easy Easter ham in the Ninja Speedi. Alright, I'm starting out on my Ninja Speedi. I took 3 ham steaks and I cut them in nice sized pieces. Now I could have bought a whole ham and then sliced it afterwards, but for one, it won't fit in a Speedi, and 2, this is easier and I'm all about easy. I'm going to take some orange soda and dump it in here. You can also use a 7-Up or like a pineapple soda. That would work great. I'm going to put probably about 2 cups of soda in here. Just a little more. Okay, now I have a jar of maraschino cherries. These don't have the stems on. This here's a 16-ounce jar. I'm dumping the cherries and the juice in there. It's going to make a delicious sauce that the ham's going to cook in, and the flavor is going to infuse into the ham as this cooks. Let me spread them around. And then I have a can of pineapple chunks. This is 20 ounces. I'm dumping that in, juice and all. And guys, as this fruit cooks, it gets really good too. Right, I'm going to add in some brown sugar. And I'm using this magic Easter spoon that Holly picked up somewhere. I'm going to sprinkle this over top of the ham and the fruit. And this here, as this cooks, this here will cook down in there. I'll just give it a little bump around. Alright. I'm going to close my lid down, and we're going to go to the rapid cook setting. Let me turn my Speedi on. We're going to go down to the steam and bake setting. Now that's set at 325. I'm going to turn that up to 350, and I'm going to set my time for 15 minutes. Now I'll check on that to make sure that it doesn't overcook or isn't going crazy in there, but I think that'll be long enough to cook that ham, which the ham's already cooked, but that'll be long enough to heat it through and get those flavors infused into it. Alright, my 15 minutes are up. I'm not even going to open that, guys, because if I open that up, all that water is going to run down into the condensation cup. I want to do an air fry on it anyways because I want to caramelize the sugars in that fruit. So I'm going to go to my air fryer setting, turn this on. Now it's on air fry 390. I'm going to set my time for 5 minutes. This is going to do 2 things. It's going to caramelize that fruit and make it that much better. And it's going to dry all that extra moisture on that top element and around the inside of the lid so it's not running all over the place. Alright guys, I let this go for probably about 3 minutes. You can see how it's starting a nice caramelization on it. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made red skin mashed potatoes and some corn to go with this. You see how that ham picked up that rich color of the cherry juice and the orange soda? Tender, sweet. It's really delicious, guys. The fruit's good, tender. That tastes like it baked in the oven for about 3 hours. Really delicious, really easy. Alright, there you have it. Easy Easter ham in the Ninja Speedi. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Happy Easter, everyone. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.